Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the new dollar days. New dollar days starting on Thursday. So not tomorrow, starting Thursday, the 26th, going through April 8th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's go ahead and jump in first. Anybody take advantage of the deal of the day 9? Okay deal on the Predator. Still would like to get it, even though not the greatest deal. And then 35% off with the sneaky deals off all towing hitches and receivers. What are you going to get? Don't forget deal of the day 10, of course, is your, it's coming like a Predator days. $400 and $350 off the 8750 watt and the 13,000 tri-fuel. Anyways, let's get into the dollar days. Let's zoom in right in, starting with Greenwood. 5/8 inch to 3/4 inch hose mender. That's what they used to call me in high school. Your choice of female or male, $1.99, 49% off. Yeah, that doesn't even make sense. 49% off, down to $1. We have the mini razor blade scraper, $1, also 49% off. Convenient to have a little mini scraper. The 6-inch torpedo level with magnetic strip, $1, 59% off, normally $2.49. Having, again, also a mini level magnetic strip. This is super handy. Who wants to bust out a giant level every single time? I'm curious. What do people use? How are people using this? $1 magnetic level, 60% off. Ridiculous amount of reviews. Small and affordable. Works as designed. Cheap bullet level, works. Love the magnet and color, makes it easy to find. Thanks. That's pretty much what I expected. High praise. Bought this and other tools. Good results. I mean, and at $1, I mean, what are you expecting? This is excellent. Ensure a flat surface with this torpedo level. We continue. 1-inch roller ball bearing at $1, 49% off. And we'll just do a quick, because if there's an interesting who's reviewing these, this must be clever use here. Look at this. I make myself another set of hands. They installed the ball bearings on this table like a conveyor belt. Genius idea. The back saver. I've been researching a way to DIY beside a bedside for my Chevy Colorado. The consensus is these rollers had to be in the build instead of the 2 3/4 sheets of plywood. I only used one and made my base out of 2x4s. Extremely happy with the finished product. Did not expect these uses. And what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4, 16. So they could have spent technically dollar days, $16 at least on the ball bearings. That feels genius. Not used as intended, but works well as now used. I think this is a similar idea. This is more what I was thinking. Put these on the bottom of an ottoman. Needs to be moved frequently. All right, I love it. 48-inch pedestal table made into revolving Lazy Susan game table. Great for plant cart. Perfect for the application. About a month and nothing else looks like it does. Truck bed slide. Use 32 of these for my DIY truck bed slide. These bearings provide an easy load transfer. I'm blown away by the uses. Looks like that's what it is. I didn't expect it. $1.99 normally. 1-inch ball bearing. Down to $1 for the dollar days. Pittsburgh 3/8 inch 10 by 10 foot protective wire wrap, $2. Normally $3.49, 42% off. Square bale PTO lock pin from Hallmaster, $2. Normally $4, 49% off. And this I'm not sure what it is. A reliable lock pin for additional security. Oh, on your trailer hitch. Makes sense. I can see it right there. Barely does the job and cannot beat the price. Not the same as shown. Great little lock pin. This is like find where's Waldo. All right. I am blind. Safety first. You shouldn't have a trailer without one of these or a cotter pin. All right. Makes sense. A+ works well. Hallmaster square bale PTO lock pin. Good to know. Continue. Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial coupler. Your choice of male or female. $3. Normally $4, 24% off. Storehouse L-shape hang all 2-pack. Not Shakur, $3. Normally $5, 39% off. And this is one that we need to see, because if it actually works for people's in real life hoses, then it's a crazy deal. L-shape hang all, perfect for power cords and hoses. Almost 1,700 reviews is nuts. Really good review rating. Let's see who can find it. Solid product, easy to install. These hang-alls, these are exactly and work exactly as advertised. This is a Harbor Freight Garage. Really good hangers and alternative projects. Great product. Worked great for what we need it for. Going to pick up some more. Look at how they put their chairs. This is genius. Great use to keep your chairs off the floor. Made a shelf. Worked for me. I bought these and they were inexpensive, but they worked well for my application storing lawn chemicals. I just cut a piece of scrap plywood to fit them to make a shelf in my shop. Sturdy too. The things you learn. Oh, the places you'll go. Great utility. Use 3 sets to hang 3 gas-powered trimmers. Super easy. Wow, genius. Oh, here's an actual hose. Good for a long hose. My wife has a really long hose to reach the garden. I need a place to keep a hose that is long and don't want to drill into the outside concrete wall, so I made this rack. Interesting. Wow, what uses for the dollar days. Storehouse. L-shape hang-all 2-pack, $5, normally down to $3, almost 40% off. Great deal. Wow, dollar days is blowing me away. Chicago Electric, 1/4 inch by 14-foot protective wire wrap. 2 protective wire wraps. Look at that. Competition. Pittsburgh or Chicago Electric, $3, normally $4, 24% off. The Vanguard 4-outlet power strip, $3, normally $4, 24% off. The 65-pound magnetic hooks, decor hooks, 2-pack. $3, normally $5, 39% off. Great deal. I picked these up during a dollar day, and they are super duper strong. 65 pounds is not a little bit. Wish the little hooks were slightly bigger, but let's see how people are using these. I have them on my fridge. $5, 65 pounds, 4.8 inches. Made an awesome magnetic clamp using this magnet. Impressive. Perfect for my use. I use these for hanging 4-foot LED lights in my steel 20-foot shipping container. Works great for hanging my underhood light. Excellent. Magnet worked great. They clearly modded the hooks here, or I don't remember the hooks being that big, but maybe they are. Maybe there's just the right proportion to hang things. Little small had to, oh yeah, they had the hook was a little small, so they bent it out a little. That makes sense. That's what I'm going to do to the ones I have. Perfect for my use. Great for hanging Christmas wreaths on metal doors. Made an EV charging cable holder. All right, perfect. These are great. 65 pounds. Normally $5, down to $3. We keep going. 3-inch solid rubber swivel caster, $4. Normally $5, 19% off. I want to look at all of these. Sorry, we're dragging this on, not on purpose. I wonder what people are attaching these to. The Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit, 9-piece, $4, 42% off. Normally $7. And we'll fly through some of the reviews. 4.2, so not the greatest reviews. That's probably one of the lower ones we've seen. Works great. Was back on the road in no time. Most new cars do. Okay, highly recommend, but he highly recommends it, but he only gave 4 stars. Disappointed. No stranger to plugging tires. Works great. Works just like the pros. Simple and straightforward. Repaired mower tire in minutes. Total junk installer bent on first use. Great for most tire, but a little weak for 10-ply. Worked as needed. Easy repair on tire. All right. Most people like it. Some people hated it. Badland 1/2-inch D-ring shackle for ATV. Your choice of red or black. Be careful if you go black. $4. Normally $6, 33% off. The Pittsburgh lifetime warranty precision screwdriver set with molded handle, 6-piece, $4. Normally $6, 33% off. And these look excellent compared to Stanley. Made of durable chrome vanadium steel and rust resistant. 4.7 stars. One of my most used tools. Love to hear it. Great product. Everything. Needed functional tools at a great price. And they got them. The precision screwdriver set from Pittsburgh. Lifetime warranty for $4. 12-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader from Pittsburgh, $4. Normally $5. 5-foot, 6-inch by 7-foot, 6-inch camouflage all-purpose weather-resistant tarp. 5 mil tarp for the tarp rows, $4. Normally $6, 33% off. Trim and molding tool set, 5-piece, $5. Normally $9, 44% off. It's a good pickup. Pittsburgh's 3/8-inch drive hex socket set, 6-piece, your choice of SAE or metric, 33% off. Normally $9. Franklin's 3-wheel steel dolly, 200-pound capacity. That can come in handy. $6. Normally $8, 24% off. One Stop Gardens 40 lumen 8-inch solar LED black finish spotlight for $7, 22% off. $9 normally. And people pointing these at their trees. believe they are. Let's see. Dang, that looks nice. Simple perfection. These lights are amazing. They aren't too big, provide the perfect amount of light. I've only had them maybe 4 or 5 days now, but compared to the Home Depot brand, that was a bit too much of light on the house. Somehow seemed to be just what I was looking for. That looks nice. I did something different with them. Had this pair of wooden lanterns. I wanted to light them up without running electric cords to them. So separated the pack from the light, added a couple of feet of wire between the two parts. The solar cell could be in the sun. Works great. Okay, genius. Nice accent to your home. Product seems well made and provides good light. Beautiful. An amazing pairing of solar panel and lamp at a great price. Lighting up this random water unit here. So far, so good. They are decently bright. If it's not bright enough for one plant, use another one. So far, so good. After heavy rainfall, even lights up under snow. Super surprising. Normally $9, down to $7. Who has these? Then Hercules alert in the dollar days. Impact rated hex shank socket driver set 3-piece, $7. Normally $9, 22% off compared to Milwaukee. And then we have the Grand 6-inch universal pad, your choice of compounding, polishing, finishing foam, or a 2-pack of heavy cut microfiber. Normally $10, $8 now, 19% off. And those are your dollar days. We did a couple of deep dives for the Deep Dive Bros. What do you think? A couple of items that surprising you can DIY and make some amazing things. But let me know what the Harbros think. Is that too much? Either way, 10 days of deals are not over, but we know what they are. Let me know if you're getting any of the last 2 days. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.